Hey guys, and welcome to this, the 2025 Porsche 911 Carrera 991.2. This is the latest and greatest from Porsche, and I want to give you a quick look at what a base 911 Carrera is like. So, without further ado, let's have a quick look at this. This particular one is finished in Vanadium Grey metallic paint. I've probably said that wrong. We do have these quad style, kind of look at this, like alien eyeball design for the headlight. It is an iteration of the 991.1, so they've improved it ever so slightly, and yeah, overall you're going to not mistake this for a Porsche. We do have a front boot, we do have your radar cruise control down there. This one is riding on Pirelli P0 silver wheels, which is always nice to see, just plain silver with the Porsche crest in the centre there. Round the rear, you're going to notice things have changed a little bit. So they've got this little trim piece here where it says Porsche in the black. Some colours make that pop more than others, but yeah, this stands out a little bit more from the previous .1, so that's how you kind of tell it from the rear. Overall, it's quite a subtle tweak. There's not too much difference, so you're going to know if you know, but yeah, you might not know this from a .1 side by side. I do like the fact you've got a little brake light up above here, and the overall profile, you're not mistaking that for anything else out on the road. Now, a quick look at the interior. We do have a beautiful kind of soft kind of nude colour with black trim. I've left the lights on, there we go. We've got the new button for start stop. It used to be like a twisty thing, but now we've got an engine start stop button. One cup holder here, which you can pull that out and replace that with other accessories. Physical buttons for things like your heated seats. A little storage under here for phone charger. If I pull this little toggle, technically 2 seats, but it's definitely enough room for goodies or maybe a child seat at a push, but with that leg room, I am not going to be sitting back there. And this is the little buttons there, you pull for the boot release and the bonnet release. And up front is where we go and pull. This looks like a professional, little red tab. There we go, we've got a really deep size there for a small carry-on suitcase, something like that. It's going to be ideal. There's your tyre inflator kit there, and then you're really going to put your windscreen wash in here because the engine and all the goodies are in the back. So in the rear we do have a 3 litre twin turbo flat 6 engine, which unfortunately you can't really see too much of it. Produces around 388 horsepower, 331 pound-feet of torque, all that power going for an 8-speed PDK transmission. And this particular one is a rear-wheel drive. You can get a 4-wheel drive if you get the Carrera 4. This is a standard 2-wheel drive one, apologies. You're looking at around 3.9 seconds to 60 with the sports chrono packs. And up front we do have the new digital gauge cluster, which is the kind of semi-analog and semi-digital one is gone from the .1. .2 was still digital now, but we do have tachometer still centre, and yeah, the top of it is all nicely lined with this kind of leather material. Little screen in here, you control things like your ambient lighting and stuff in here, driver's seat, how you want to set up the drive mode for the car, the chassis, etc. Apple CarPlay and that touch of a button, as you can see, connect that up. I like the little toggles down here, things for like your air vents. You've got the little bronze shaver style for your drive controller, and then you've got physical buttons there, which is nice. And I also like physical button for heated seats on a cool day. Just get in and push that. Do have a softly damped lined with fuzzy stuff controller. This is one of those optional little bits you can get, so if you didn't want a cup holder, you could put that inside there like so, and that allows you to have flexibility in the cabin. Passenger does get a little cup holder there, kind of over-engineered German style, but that's not all right. Door locks there. I do have memory seating, door locks, window switches, mirror controls on the side there, and of course that aforementioned start-stop button. And let that 3 litre come to life.